Ito ang patunay na malayo na ang narating ng SB19. May sariling makeup artist kahit walang backup company. Hello Itin! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Si Mag Igarta, hairstylist and makeup artist, proud and shout na binandera ang mga larawan bilang free concert retouch bago ang SMDC finale concert ng SB19. He's proud for his team by retouching SB19 and other dancers. Heto ang mga larawan na binandera niya at pinost sa Instagram.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact.
Ito ang patunay na hindi lang ang kahirapan para matupad ang pangarap. Ito nga ang SB19 ang produkto ng pagsusumikap. From humble beginning, rag to riches, natupad lahat ng pangarap, may sariling makeup artist, kahit walang backup company. O diba talagang nakaka-afford sila dahil malayo na at matagumpay na sila sa kanilang mga narating. At syempre, meron silang pagkakaisa bilang team. May dedication, determination, at artistry.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.